Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making candy lime slices. These are going to be used on a recipe that we are going to make next week. But we're also going to address something which, if you've been following me on my other social media, you will know that my mom fell and broke her arm. So she's going to have surgery. So if this video looks a little bit different, it's because it's probably been recorded over several different days. And yeah, it's one of those things. I think she will be fine. By the time you see this video, she will have had the surgery and everything will have come out well. But let's get to this. I made the candy lime slices last night. How you do it is you start off with thinly sliced limes. You want to have the limes about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. Then you're going to take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and put that into a pan and bring that up to a boil. Once you have a nice boil, you're going to put your lime slices into the pan. I use key limes. The key limes, I think, taste better. Also, they did not have seeds, which is important because if you have limes with seeds, they are going to need to be seeded. Now comes the fun part. You are going to turn down the heat to a medium simmer and let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is a really easy process. This is so simple to do. And you can do this with other like citrus. You could do this with oranges, lemons, limes, those sort of things. I think you could probably do this with grapefruit, but you would need to have more. Now remember, the recipe is listed down below in the description, but this is one of those fun things that you can do in no time. Once you've gone for those 20 minutes, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the lime slices from the pan and place them onto a baking sheet that has parchment paper under it and also a cooling rack. That will keep your lime slices up off the rack so that way the extra sugar can drip off. You are going to let those cool down to room temperature. I personally had my lime slices in the freezer because I didn't know exactly when I was going to get around to these. Now, normally you wouldn't just eat a candied lime slice, but we're going to see how it tastes. It's really good. In case you're curious what a candied lime slice tastes like, you have the bitterness of the rind and the zest. You have the sweetness of the sugar mixed in with the lime meat. It is really good, tart and sweet and wonderful. And we're going to use these on something coming up very, very soon. Next week, as a matter of fact. But these, I can say, are really good. And like I said, would I just eat these regularly? I don't know. I think I might. I actually might. But these are really good, simple to make, and you can do them with the other citrus. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media on CM Coleman Home. This is really cool because if you are part of my Patreon, you got this video early. They get most of my videos early and they get a bonus weekly vlog where I tell them what's going on, behind the scenes stuff, or you can become a member of the channel where you get behind the scenes pictures and those sort of things, and you also get to see what's going on in my life. I hope you enjoyed this. If you aren't interested in either one of those, go ahead and like and share this video because that really does help the channel. And I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by.